Are you an aspiring entrepreneur and struggling to find out a right mentor for a startup? Mentors play a vital role in any startup, and you will make your startup journey successful and exciting. So in this video I am going to talk about who is a mentor and what is the importance of a mentor in a startup journey. This is Neminathan Bharat, founder of Impactful Business Hub. I'll be taking you the complete journey of how you can able to identify the right mentor for a startup and how you can able to onboard them and have a long-term association with them. Number one is, who is a mentor? Mentor is one who is having an expertise in a specific field and is offering to help the budding entrepreneurs to overcome the challenges and obstacles on a startup journey. He himself could be a successful startup entrepreneur who has started right from scratch and he has established his business. He could be a top-notch educational institution professors and he has got expertise in a particular technology where he is offering a mentorship. So similarly, there are various varieties of mentors available in the industry, and you need to choose who is the right mentor for you. Always it is advisable to have a mentor in a startup because it will help you to avoid a lot of pains and challenges on your startup journey. Now let me tell you what are the ways and where are these startup mentors available and how you can able to approach and then make them on board on your startup. Number one way where you can able to find out the startup entrepreneurs is incubators or startup accelerators. So all over the world and in India, there are a lot of incubators and startup accelerators available wherein they take a batch of startups as a cohort and then they guide them on the entire journey, right from ideation to product development to pricing to validation and also for the go-to-market strategy. So these incubators invite applications yearly once or twice, and you need to watch these institutes all over India, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore specifically, and then you can able to select which is the nearest incubators in your from your hometown, and then you can able to apply for, and then once you become eligible and you are able to screen through their criteria, then you can become one of the cohort batch member and then you can get the entire mentorship. So one of the such accelerator is Founder Institute, which is headquarters in Silicon Valley, and they've got chapters all over the world. In India, they got chapter in Chennai, and I am part of that particular institute in 2016. So I applied for that particular screening process, and then I got selected, and then I went through that grind for around 3 months, wherein there will be a weekly sessions and wherein I'll have a chance to meet the mentors and then able to develop my startup right from scratch. So similarly, there are a lot of incubators or accelerators available, which you can choose who is the right one. Number two is educational institution. Top-notch educational institutions like IIT or IIM have got professors and faculties who are ready to become the startup mentor, and they have got a specific cell called entrepreneurship cell. So wherein these institutes promote their students to start on their own, and they offer the services of their professors and faculty for this startup journey. So if you find that you are developing a technology startup and you want to have a technology mentor in your startup, you can approach this institution, and you can also have a dialogue with them whether is there any student available who can become a co-founder, and then you make those vendor. It need not be that you need to have a compulsory student on board. So you can have a dialogue, and if that particular student is matching with your vision and mission statement, then you can onboard them as a co-founder, and then those institutes can even able to offer the mentorship services through their professors and faculty members. So that is the second method. Number third is there are various forums available in each cities which you can become a member. These forums have sessions bi-monthly, and they invite top-notch mentors to these sessions, and they give the value sessions. So you can part of these sessions. So currently, I am also a part of that forum in Chennai, that is TIDE Chennai, the Indus Entrepreneur Forum. So it is headquarters in Silicon Valley, and they've got chapters all over India, like Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, and Delhi as well. So right now with this COVID situation, they are conducting online sessions, which is very immensely helpful. So these forums will connect you depending upon your industry. They will connect you the right mentor. For example, if you are in a food industry, then they will tell you who is the expert available in the food industry. If you are an automobile, then they will connect you to an automobile. If you are in a financial startup, then they will connect you to a financial expert. So these type of forums are available, and you can become a part member and then get able to choose your mentors. Similarly, there are other forums like Startup Club, MSMEs, then state government entrepreneurship cells. So where they also invite industry experts to give sessions, and where you can have a chance to meet those mentors and able to choose them. Next one is a lot of startup founders. They themselves offer these services to the budding entrepreneurs because they don't want the budding entrepreneurs to suffer and face these same challenges which they have faced. So they want to cut short their journey, and that's why there are a lot of startup founders who are successful are offering these services. One among them is CK Kumarvel. He is the founder of Natural Saloon. So even though he is a very successful and he is one of the leading entrepreneur in India, he is very passionate enough to meet young founders and then value them and then able to give their valuable advice. So I met him several times, and I found him as a more passionate founder in this part of world. So similarly, you can also able to meet such type of successful entrepreneurs on your path, and you can request them if they can able to become part of your mentor in your startup. And the last but not the least, I want to tell that there is a scheme which has been floated by central government that is called Startup India scheme in 2015. In 2015, the central government has floated, and they are inviting applications from all the eligible startups. So you need to incorporate company, you need to share your vision statement, what is your problem statement you are solving, and what is the probable solution which you are going to offer to the industry. So like that, if you are giving all the inputs, they have they will examine all these inputs, and if they choose you as an eligible startup, then they will onboard you in the Startup India platform, which is very enormously helpful, and they connect a lot of mentors to you. So in my early days when I was starting my startup also, I applied for this scheme, and then I got selected, and I could able to see a lot of connections happening in this forum as well. So these are the various methods with which you can able to meet mentors and then able to choose who could be your right mentor. So then next important thing what I want to highlight is that you need to see whether that mentor is right fit for your startup. Even though the mentors may be an expert in that field, you need to see whether they are matching with your profile. Number one is they should able to align with your mission and mission statement, so that they are convinced on what is your problem statement and what is your solution which you are offering. So that is the first thing. Number two is they should be of similar industry in which your startup is building a product. And then also they should also have the same passion of what you are having through, so that once a mentor and a startup founder is synced, and they will be able to guide and give you a lot of advices and solutions on your startup journey. So these are the 2-3 aspects which you should see when you are selecting a mentor. Next aspect what I want to tell is how you can able to compensate these mentors. Number one is you can offer them an independent director role in your board of directors, and once you meet like quarterly and half-yearly, then you can invite them for those board meetings, and once you are giving your journey as what is the progress you have made and what are challenges and what is your path for the next 3 months, then they can offer you suggestions and valuable advice for your startup. Number two is you can also have them as a fixed term, like you can have a 3 years or 5 years, wherein you fix a certain charges for their per annum basis, and where they give you like monthly once or quarterly once meeting, and then they can able to offer the solutions or advices for you. So like that, there are several ways, and he can become a co-founder also if you find that is of more helpful to you. So it all depends upon how you want to compensate and how you both are aligned, so that it is a win-win situation for both of you. So normally the mentors doesn't expect financially much, because it is a sheer passion with which they are offering these services. So you need not to bother about that how much I am going to lose my share in my startup. Also, it's always to have a good mentors in your startup journey. So finally, I want to conclude. So why you need to have a mentor? So even though you got a very good problem statement identified and you got a very good solution identified, there could be a lot of hidden challenges which you may not know when you start. So for example, if you are a technology startup and you decided that you want to use this particular technology for building that solution, and you are deciding to invest a lot of money and time in developing a solution, there could be always a possibility that that technology may be outdated. So if you are having a technology mentor in your board, so he might review the technology platform, and he might suggest whether it's the right one or it's updated one, and is there any alternative better solutions available also. And if he is convinced and what you are choosing is correct, then he will give you a go ahead signal, so that you can able to develop your product. Similarly, if it is a service industry, so you might have a certain approach with which you will be having certain overheads and expenses for running the business. So these mentors will be able to give you suggestions which can even cut down the cost and your running expenses, which will improve your profitability. And also you may not know what is the customer insight of your services, even though you have done a lot of research. So the customer insights or customer experience will be well examined by this type of mentors, because they are seeing a wide variety of startups and wide variety of customer experience which every startup is going to give. So then they can add you flavors in your particular solution, so that it becomes more optimistic and more profitable also. Number three is they can also give a competitive edge for you, because you might have researched well in the industry and would have identified who are your competition and how their offerings are serving the industry, and how your product or service is going to stand unique from those competition. So, but you may not might have not given enough thought about how you can make it unique. But these mentors can definitely add value, and they will help you to become a unique positioning in particular startup industry. So like that, there are several advantages of having a good mentor in your startup journey. And I suggest that when you start up your business or startup a business, so you should always have a good mentor on your board, which will give you a lot of good results and positively it will take you a lot of growth in your startup journey, and you can able to cut short the challenges and pain areas also. So this is all I want to tell about in this video. Hope you would have found this useful. If you found this video very useful, please like this video and also subscribe my channel, and also you can click the bell button so that you will get notified on my future upcoming videos as well. So I'll be sharing two links in my below. One link is neminathanbharat.co/VIP group, which is a VIP group, Facebook group which I am having, where I am sharing all these videos, podcasts and blogs, which you can able to get regularly when you join my Facebook group. So you can please join this group by clicking this link. Now my second link is neminathanbharat.co/live, where I'll be you can register for my upcoming webinar, where I'll be sharing the 3 secrets of a startup journey and how you can able to set up your online business without any issues or without any pain points. So this is all I want to share from you. So looking forward to meet you in my future upcoming videos. Bye bye.